The idea of applying the hierarchical distribution of authority, reminiscent of the Swiss system, to decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, represents a profound shift in perspective for these organizations. This calls for a deeper exploration of how such a system could be actualized. The Swiss system offers a model of decentralization wherein its 26 cantons enjoy a high degree of autonomy while still operating under the overarching Swiss Confederation. Each canton has its own constitution, legislature, government, and courts, similar to the US states. Moreover, there are communes at a more local level that have a degree of self-government. This setup offers a balance of power between different levels of government, enabling efficient decision-making. A parallel can be drawn to DAOs, where one can envision various layers of membership or decision-making bodies, each with specific roles and responsibilities. These could be organized in a tiered structure similar to the Swiss Confederation, Cantons, and Communes. DAO Confederation. The topmost body would serve as the Confederation, setting the overall direction and policies for the DAO. This could involve making key strategic decisions, overseeing the execution of these decisions, and managing the highest level of governance tokens. DAO Cantons. At the next level could be a number of canton-like entities, each responsible for a specific area or function within the DAO. These could be semi-autonomous, with the authority to make decisions in their respective areas. Each canton would have members or token holders who have a say in the decisions made at this level. DAO Communes. At the grassroots level, commune-like bodies could exist, composed of members involved in specific tasks or projects. These could be given a certain degree of autonomy and decision-making power concerning their specific tasks or projects. This hierarchical framework has several potential benefits. Efficiency. By distributing decision-making across different levels, decisions can be made more quickly and effectively. Each tier can focus on its specific area, preventing bottlenecks that could occur if all decisions had to pass through a single entity. Engagement. This structure could enhance engagement, as members would have more influence over decisions directly impacting their work or involvement in the DAO. Scalability. A multi-tiered structure could enable the DAO to scale more effectively. As the organization grows, additional cantons or communes could be added to manage new functions or projects. Balance of power. The distribution of authority could prevent the undue concentration of power, aligning with the decentralized ethos of DAOs. Implementing such a model would require careful planning and execution. Smart contracts would need to be designed to support this hierarchical structure, including rules around the creation of cantons and communes, voting mechanisms at each level, and the distribution and governance of tokens. Further, it would be crucial to establish transparent processes and checks and balances at each level to prevent misuse of power and ensure accountability. As we push the boundaries of what DAOs can achieve, incorporating tried and tested governance models, such as the Swiss system, can provide valuable insights and guide us towards building more robust, efficient, and democratic organizations.